Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, Sveshnikov, used to play this. Know a little bit about the theory of the Sveshnikov. Nope, of course he doesn't do that. I'll play for this structure, which is a bind on d4. Maybe with f5, aggressive f5, to try and dissuade d4 from white. He's got knight e5, hasn't he? Oh, what a moron. Oh, jeez.
Check.
I'll just let him play his obnoxious system with success. I feel bad about that. I'm sorry. I could have played a bit more slowly. It's my fault in the opening. I don't think I needed to play f5. I had in mind some Gibraltar game I once had against an FM, and f5 was good, and they got everything out of the opening. And it's overly ambitious sometimes to think like that. So this is now officially a disaster zone out of the opening. That's sad. Memory affecting my play in this game. Just a memory of something. A bit too vague. This is probably not worth playing on. I don't know. I'll try and put a master game on the same day as this game. It's not. It's a wreck out of the opening, I'm afraid. That's what happens when you play too quickly. There shouldn't be much of a fight from here. Not against an FM. Especially Shawnee. And he's going to open up the position. Maybe his back row is slightly vulnerable. Helicopter. Knight f6 I can take. His back row is slightly vulnerable here. Oh, I got him thinking. I didn't expect this. Rook e1 surely is okay, at least. I know it's inconvenient. A king c7. And he's in a pin, but it's not fatal, right? That's a way of doing it. Very good. That's unfortunate. Yeah, the check. I didn't see that one. Well, here there was a check. Can I do anything here? Bishop d4 coming out. Don't know why he's playing so slowly, as if everything's a struggle here. I'll take another pawn. I don't want to lose c5 though. Probably best to be it does that, yeah. Except my c pawn might be interesting.
Check.
What? Yeah.
Are you busy?
I'm sorry, I'm just streaming at the moment. Hold on.
Check. Check.
Oh no, that's a terrible Zugsbang to have. What do I say? I haven't seen that one before. Anyway, that's a laugh.
Check. Check. Check.
Anyway, I got a new Zugsbang position to think about. Yeah, disaster. Black's better, yeah, technically. I mean, I can probably withstand this. If I can withstand it, I've got the two bishops and I've got the... it's pretty tragic, just one move like that, it's tragic.
Check.
I thought it was coming back for a moment. I think you should have put me away a lot earlier anyway. Okay, comments, questions, shares appreciated. Thanks so much.